how to add surface imperfection to your model. So it's very easy process. So I will show you that in the model that we created in this beginner chart tutorial. So first of all, I need to collapse these two windows, and in this second window I need to make it shader editor. So as you see here, we have our shader. Now I need to go to the viewport shading like this. Then I need to add surface imperfection map. So I need to have some space here. So I need to move this here. Then add image, texture, image, texture like this. And I will open my surface imperfection, click open, and in surface imperfection I will use my fingerprints. You can find this fingerprint surface imperfection map in polygon.com. It's free, you can download it as you want. I will use this texture map, so I will use this black and white variation. So I will use this. So then I need to preview this map to show you something. As you see here, I need to make it non-color data because it's a grayscale map. You see here that the mapping is very big and the scale is very big, so I need to use another mapping, but I don't need to use the same mapping as the chair. So I need to use another map. So click Ctrl T with the node Wrangler and you have another mapping. Then I need to add an input value to control the scale, and I will made the scale to 5 to have another scale to my surface imperfection map. Now, as you see here, I need to mix this surface imperfection with the roughness. So to do that, I need to add a mix RGB. So Shift A color, mix RGB, and mix it with the roughness. But we need to change the blend mode to screen. So screen is for to extract the black from white. So we will keep our white values to use it as the second second map in the mix RGB node. So as you see here, in the result of the mix RGB, we have the surface imperfection in all the chur. So I will show you something like this. As you see here, the surface imperfection is all in the chur. So I need it in some areas, and in some areas I don't need it. So to do that, I will use a mask to control the areas where the surface imperfection is. So I need to have some space here, move my nodes, and I need to add some of the procedural textures in Blender. So Shift A texture, and I will add noise texture. So as you see here, I will preview it. We have black and white values. Also, I need to add a mapping. So in this case, I will use object texture coordinate to control my procedural noise texture. Now I need to increase a little bit of my black values here. So to control this noise texture, you need a color ramp converter. So converter and color ramp here. Then I will increase the black values like this, and increase a little bit the white values. Maybe I will increase the scale to 10. So as you see here, so where the black values is, the roughness will be appear, and where the white values is, the surface imperfection will be appear. So how to use this mask? We will use it as a factor between the roughness map and the surface imperfection map. So as you see here, we have a surface imperfection fingerprints in the white values and the roughness in the black values. So now I need to see the result by previewing the principal BSDF like this. So I will wait for the result. As you see here, the surface imperfection appear in these areas here as I need. So if I mute the noise texture like this, or mute this color ramp, you see that the surface imperfection is on the surface of the chair. So with this mask, we have a full control of our surface imperfection. So I can increase it and I can decrease it like this, as you see here. So this is everything in this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit like and comment, and see you in another videos. Salam.